Brazil, thousands displaced by floods in northeast. Heavy rain has been falling in the state of Alagoas since the start of the month. Porto de Pedras recorded 97.6 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. The state's Environment and Water Resources Agency reported rivers were above the danger mark in 5 locations: the Paraíba River at Vicosa, the Canhoto River at São José de Lage, the Mundão River at Muriçai, the Jacuípe River at Jacuípe, and the Mundão River at Rio Largo. Civil defense in the state said 39,285 people had evacuated their homes and moved to stay with relatives or to an emergency accommodation center. Over 50 municipalities have been affected, with the populations of Vicosa, São José de Lage, and Caruripe among the hardest hit. Heavy rainfall in May this year caused severe flooding in the state, and 4 people lost their lives. The state's Environment and Water Resources Agency said in the 60 days to July 3rd, the state recorded the amount of rain normally seen in the whole year. The state of Pernambuco also saw heavy rain over the last few days. Barreiros recorded 94.6 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. Deerhans recorded 110.8 millimeters in the following 24-hour period. Local media reported evacuations in the municipalities of Barreiros, Canatinho, and Itaiba. Brazil's National Civil Defense said nearly 4,200 people had evacuated their homes across 24 municipalities. 1 person was reported missing after being swept away by flash floods in Jacuípe. Governor Paulo Camara visited some of the affected areas, including São Benedito do Sul, on July 2022.
Quạt 2 nồi. Quạt 2 nồi.